Once your meter's been fitted, you should know how to take a meter reading. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Here's how to read your meter. Prepare. First, make sure you know your serial number. You'll find it on your latest water bill and where your meter is. Your meter could be inside or outside your home. If it's inside, it's usually fitted on the water pipe as it enters your property. This is normally near the internal stop tap, which is often under the kitchen sink or a downstairs toilet. Read your meter. Lift the metal lid on the water meter chamber. Your meter may have another lid or a polystyrene frost cover. If it does, you'll need to remove this too. Check the serial number on your bill matches the number found on top of the meter. And write down the numbers shown in black and white. We don't need the red numbers. Submit your meter reading online at dwrcymru.com. For you, not for profit.